Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a scrunchie like this. So what you want is about 18. It's about 8, no, sorry. What you want is about 16 in length and 4 inches in width. So I have these leftover fabric, so I'm going to sew them together to make a scrunchie. Okay, so I'm going to take, this is the wrong side, and I'm going to fold it in half. So you want about 16 in length, about 16 in length and 4 inches in width. But right now mine's is, I believe is about 3 inches. Mine's is in 3 inches in width because I have leftover fabric. But you want this to be about 4 inches. And this is about 16 inches in length. So I'm going to take my fabric and I'm going to fold it in half like this. I'm going to take my pin and pin it, and I'm going to sew a quarter. I'm just going to sew a 1/4 inch all around here. I'm going to hook it up to the eye and pull it. I'm going to measure, I'm going to have my elastic and measure about, I'll say 5 inches. I'm going to take the elastic, pin it, and put it through here. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to bring it here. I'm just going to use my hands this time. Just in case it opens up again. Okay, this time I got it. Okay, I got it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take it and tie it in the knot about 1/2 inch. Wait, real close. And then you're gonna, my sewing machine got a little messed up with a stitch. When cut up, it got a little messed up with the sewing. So I'm just gonna cut this off. Okay, so what you do is right here, you put the fabric inside and you fold it in here. And I just want you to know my machine is, the bobbin is a little funny, so I didn't know that, so I'm gonna check it later. But I'm just gonna show you how to do a quick demonstration. So you just, you open it up and make sure it's in properly in the hole. Make sure it's inside and make sure everything is folded properly inside. And I'm stretching it a little bit so I'll be able to hand stitch it, and you want to hand stitch it. So I already needle my thread, and I'm just gonna do a quick whip stitch right here. And now you got yourself a scrunchie.